Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll guide you how you can easily use Copy AI. I think that Copy AI is amazing software and it's going to help you tremendously if you're going to learn how you can use it. And also, I believe that after finishing this video you'll have better understanding on how you can use Copy AI. So let's click here and let's see what we can find in our account. If you didn't create your account yet, you will have a link down below in the description that you can register with. So what you want to do and what we can find here. On the left side, we're going to find the projects where you would find all your projects, like I have the hero review, how to start LLC, like the hero versus trading 212. I was making comparison blog here. Then you would find templates that you can easily choose template directly. And here you can play around with that. And also you're going to have favorite tools, popular tools. And these are the tools that you can use. So let's say a blog ideas, right? And you can simply start writing and it's going to create for you. But you're not going to have it yet as a project. You can go like product descriptions or Instagram captions. So let's click here first. I'm going to click on new project. And from that moment, we're going to start. So new project, you can always on the top change the name of it. So I'm going to simply name it, let's say eToro review. And what is this is the product description. And we can simply click on the blog idea. So we created a new project. Look what happened. Okay, I'll go back. We created a new project. And we got it directly as a blog, as a product description. If I'm going to rename this, so I will simply add it as eToro review. I can simply find the tools here. And let's say I can have bullet point to blog section, freestyle, and you can start creating. Or what you can do is to simply click on the templates, and let's say we want to have a blog post wizard, and you can do it in pro version, or we can have a blog outline, right? And you can update the current project. And look what will happen. Automatically it's going to change. So you can go even from the templates or you can go with the tools here. So now when you have it, let's say the blog title is going to be eToro review. Let's say that it's going to be blog about eToro in company on how you can buy stocks, how you can buy crypto on eToro. And then you choose a tone, if it's going to be professional, bold, professional, relaxed, so professional, and create the content. In the moment when you're going to press create the content, it's going to automatically create content for you. And look at this, here we have our own section, how to open an account, how to buy stocks on eToro, how to buy crypto on eToro before you invest. And you can also like paste it here and you're gonna have your own blog outline, right? So then what I can do, I can simply find here and go to blog tools. Or you can go to sales copy, or you can go social media tools. So we can have like YouTube description, intro, YouTube video title. Writing tools. And you can have plenty of like things that you can use it for, right? Personal tools even. And all the tools that you can play around and test. Of course, it's going to be different if you're going to have the pro version. And the blog wizard tool is really amazing. That's the one that I would recommend to do, because you can have like from one word, it's going to create everything for you. And like that's the thing that I would definitely recommend. But you need to upgrade it to have it. So then let's say that I want to also create a YouTube video. So I'm going to show you like this, and I can go easily and find YouTube, and I see YouTube video title, right? And what is the YouTube video about? So let's say how eToro. Okay, how to make money on eToro. And I can simply create a content. How to buy stocks on eToro and build a portfolio. I can save it, right? And you can easily make more. And this is how you can do it. And you can always choose whatever tool you want and then easily just start creating blog ideas. So let's say I can go with the recent tools, digital ad copy. So I can go even with Facebook headline, and you can write it here. So again, product, I can go with Nike shoes. Okay, and I can create a content for Facebook headline. Experience the best shoes in the world. Maximize their comfort and get them while they are hot. So you can easily also like combine. And then on the right side, you can easily just share. And that's pretty much how we can do it. So I want to also show you the one thing that I was creating. So I was creating also the degree review here. And look what will happen here. So I had the details here, right? So blog title was, this is the blog post wizard that I really like. You're gonna have the degree review, keywords degree investing, degree. Then I'm going to have the tone professional, generate the outline. In outline, it's going to generate the basics. And look at this. Degree is Okay, we have the outline. Then I can generate talking points. And look at this, we're gonna have some talking points here about the Giro fees, trading platforms, all the, like, so much information, and then I can generate the content. So here I can simply wait for it, and then you're gonna find how amazing it is. See, the Giro, bam, about the Giro fees, trading platform, commission and spreads, deposit and withdrawals, and you see that you can create, like, let's say Amazon descriptions for like products. So a lot of stuff. And there was like a new camera, and you can even, let's create it for let's say that we would write, this is for the Giro, but let's say that we want to create a review for, I don't know, camera, right? So we're gonna have, I need to find it. First, it was like iPhone 14 review. The Marcus Brownie made it, and it was a camera, this one, Insta360, right? So I'm going to a blog title, Insta360, keywords, camera, review, should you buy, okay, tone professional, and then I can generate the outline. And this is the going to blog title. And let's see what it'll look like. Okay, now I just bugged it out. So I can go review. Okay, this is like the intro. And generate talking points. And now it's bugged right now because I made a mistake there. Because I generated too much. But this is how we can pretty much do it. The tool with copy AI that you can have, you can easily view more plans and use it. So that's something that I would do. Like right now, I generated already too much words because I used the easy account. But again, if you're gonna 100k monthly, it's going to be different. And that's pretty much it how we can do it. So if you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. I'll be really happy to help and provide some guidance. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, this is how we can use the copy AI. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.